What's up guys, Alfie here, and today we're going to be using this ball and this ball. So yeah, remember the last video that I did, the Call of Duty one? So, the next vid will be with my good old friend Max. The one that I said the Call of Duty, all that, yeah. Doing FIFA 17 gameplay with him. Yeah, it will be today. So let's get started with some rugby passes. So this is going to be so you're doing it. So now on to the footy passes. We do loads of footy passes. Woo! So now on to
It's not charging this one either, so it must be broken. That's really dark.
if you're wondering what the noise is, if you can't hear me, it's just the gym. It's so packed. Remember the video that I did with all the equipment and stuff? Yes, that. Yeah, so that's all the noise. So, shout out to my dad. I love you so much. Plus, I love my person that she died. And it all happened as a kid. So, see you guys later. Bye. Mum, say bye. Mum, say bye. Say bye. I'm finishing now.